excited, super overwhelmed.
Really excited क्योंकि like रील्स बननी शुरू हो जाती ना जब तब लगता है कि yes ये गाना जो है ये रॉक कर रहा है.
हाँ जी,
But yeah, getting lot of lovely response for the song. लोगों को गाना बहुत कैची लगा, वीडियो बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. I'm so happy with the video. It's looking so bright, so peppy and very yummy. मतलब क्या क्या yummy yummy colors हैं, yellow, neon, pink, and all that.
All of that. It's all like in the background.
Yeah. Kashika looks lovely in the video. Abhishek looks really handsome, and their chemistry is great. And they've done super and more than justice to my song.
जैसे ज़्यादातर सॉन्ग्स बनते हैं या तो पूरे पेपी बनते हैं या एकदम रोमांटिक बनते हैं, लेकिन ये पहला सॉन्ग है जो मैं देख रही हूँ कि पेपी भी है, इसमें रोमांस भी है, इसमें स्मूथ मेलोडी भी है और हिप हॉप भी जा रहा है.
Yeah.
Yes. ये आपने जब इस चीज़ को कंपोज किया था, what was your thought process?
So actually ये कंपोज किया गया है बाय केपी म्यूजिक और उन्होंने मेरे लिए एक और सॉन्ग भी कंपोज किया था लक्षेक. बट जब वो उन्होंने कहा था वी वांट टू डिजाइन समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी अराउंड योर जॉनर, योर जोन, जिस तरीके से आप गाती हो, आपका गाने का स्टाइल है. So they did such a beautiful job, and of course I kind of jammed with them before we actually recorded the song. And it turned out really nice, and they've given a very modern, youthful feel in the music. So that's wonderful. Veen Ranjha ने lyrics भी बहुत ही कमाल की लिखी हैं. Simple, very simple and catchy.
And also I feel the way she mentioned about youth, आजकल youth ही है हमारी, you know, which is very very important. हमारा सब कुछ youth है. You know, we want to reach out to the youth through our projects, through our work, through our welfare, through anything we do. So it's very very important that you know your audience is the youth, because tomorrow they are the ones who are also going to be following you. They are the ones who are going to be you know, a very very important hand in promoting you ahead,
absolutely.
in loving you.
Youth is very active also, you know, digitally and on social media and everything. So they are the ones who actually make it kicking, make it rocking. For
They make it a banger for us. So you all feel it's a banger, but we know that you know it's them who's making it that for us. So that's super important.
वैसे नींद्रा, ये जो गाने का आपने टाइटल दिया है नींद्रा, वो आपको शब्द कहाँ से आया? क्योंकि जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ होती है या नींद्रा
नींद में ही ना, वही तो बोल रहे हैं.
नींद्रा एक्चुअली नींद
शब्द है, लेकिन ये ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ये शब्द कहाँ से आपने उठाया?
क्योंकि जो जिस तरीके से गाना बन रहा था, इट वाज अबाउट ख्वाब, इट वाज अबाउट गोइंग टू फैंटेसी लैंड, ड्रीम्स. तो आइडिया ये आया था कि जो नींदरा वर्ड है, और जब हुक लाइन थी नींदरा मेरी नींदरा, तो ये फोनेटिकली भी अगर आप सुने, म्यूजिकली भी बहुत अच्छा साउंड करता है. इट्स गॉट अ रिंग टू इट, इट्स गॉट अ सर्टेन रिंग टू इट एंड अ रिदम टू इट. सो कई वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत खटकते हैं, लेकिन ये खटकता नहीं है, बहुत ही फ्लो करता है स्मूथली. सो आई थिंक ये सबके जुबानों पे बहुत आसानी से आ सकता है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी स्मूथ, इट्स वेरी कैची, वेरी वेरी कैची एंड वेरी ड्रीमी. As the word suggests.
Yeah, my next question was that only. I mean, the whole song is in Punjabi. This flavor is it's you know mostly the flavor of the month recently, and you know.
Flavor of not just the month, I think
the years.
2-3 साल से सिर्फ आपको पंजाबी म्यूजिक सुनने को मिल रहा है. आप आई एम श्योर एपी डिलन को सब जानते हैं. Everyone's a huge fan of artists like AP Dhillon and B Prague and so many Punjabi artists who are rocking it around the world. And Punjabi seems to be like the mainstream language now. And we are Punjabis and we are proud to be one.
Yeah, very proud. But also the way she mentioned, you know, बहुत smoothly हो गया था. So I feel things which are done effortlessly are the ones that go really big, because it's done with your heart. You know, वो तभी idea आ गया होगा उनको. You know, तभी आ गया होगा that no, I'm in this dream. Things that come to you spontaneously are things that go a very long way, because आपको सर मारना नहीं पड़ता है. You know, speaking, no, I want this, I want this. It's just happened very naturally and in the flow. So.
That's what I was actually trying to say कि ये word ना काफी unique सा है. Don't more people know कि ये ऐसा कोई शब्द actually exist भी करता है first of all. Coming back to कशिका, आप बहुत आज सुंदर लग रही हैं, बहुत आज खुश लग रही हैं.
Thank you so much.
इसके साथ आपकी chemistry आपको सबसे ज़्यादा बेहतर लगे? आपने इतने सारे लोगों के साथ काम किया, but how was Abhishek with you?
Abhishek was amazing. I loved our chemistry. My parents, my dad was on set, so he said your chemistry has actually been shown so well, Kashika, wait for the final video. And now when I'm seeing it, I can see it that Abhishek and I made such a good chemistry, you know, on screen, that it's come out lovely. And he's such a wonderful person, so down to earth, so humble. It's so nice to work with people who feel like family. Aslam sir was sitting with us, we were chilling, you know, he was reading a book, we were all talking, he was telling us some ideas of his. I feel everything was in the moment, and it's very. I'm into Buddhism. I chant Namyo Horengi Kyo, and I feel that it's extremely important to be surrounded by positive people, because on that set there was so much positivity कि वो गाने में दिख रहा है अभी, आप लोगों को दिख रहा है, you know. So that's very important. The way you start a project is the product you will be giving, you know, later with the same energy. So.
Well, as far as I know, Abhishek, he is pretty मस्तीखोर.
Oh हाँ बहुत.
ऐसा कुछ हुआ आपके साथ सेट?
नहीं वो बहुत मस्ती कर रहा था, बट ही वाज also he had a lot of work ना, तो उसका माइंड थोड़ा सा उसमें भी था, नागिन शूट ये वो, बट वेरी नाइस पर्सन, वेरी humble. He spent a lot of time with me and dad. Actually we all left together only from home, so all of us went together, so we had a good drive, you know, good talks about career, about life, about family. So it's been lovely working with such people. I've also enjoyed working with Gurmeet and Arjun, and my chemistry with Gurmeet and Arjun was loved by a lot of people. तो वो भी बोल रहे थे, you know, that why don't you all come together again? There was this one video, you must have seen the NMIMS promotions also, where Gurmeet was just taking good care of me. He takes me like family, like his little bacha. So he was like taking care of me, and it was so sweet, you know. They're so humble. After going to that level and seeing everything, I think I really hope they get really, really successful.
Well, just with that song, I mean, how the shot was taken, and how long did this get into, and how difficult or easy was this to shoot for you? I mean, the locations look really amazing.
Beautiful,
you know,
yeah.
The cinematography has turned out really well. What
Absolutely,
do you have to say about
it was lovely. I feel that it was everything was ready made for us. All we had to do was feel the vibe, feel and live that moment, and just do what we were, you know, what we've come here to do. I think it was very natural. Imagine just given 30 minutes for a choreography. We've rehearsed only once, and next day I had another shoot whole day. Uske baad the next day I came for this shoot. So you know, we didn't have enough time. We didn't know कि you know ये पूरा hook step है, ये है वो है, but it's made it so beautiful, and I'm so happy कि वो था कि you know that was added.
शिवानी मैम, जब आपको पता चला कि अभिषेक एंड कंशिका मैम ये कर रही हैं, तो आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था?
Tell me, Shivani.
I said thank God. Firstly, of course, you know, I don't watch too much television because I'm more on OTT.
Yeah, same.
So I saw, then I got to know that Abhishek is wow. He's a very well-known actor, and he looks really good. And then I of course checked her out. I said, अच्छा ये इनके तो भाई 6 million followers हैं Instagram पे, पता नहीं क्या क्या. Wow, that's awesome. And I think you've done some movie also in the south.
No, it's not started yet. It's going to be starting now. Yeah.
So I read about her, and also more than that, it was very important to see how they would perform on the song, and what they did in the song is fantastic. When I got the first edit, जब edit हो रहा था, तो of course you know Z kept sharing everything with me, and I said this is great. I can't wait for this to happen. I said जल्दी करो release. In fact, the song was supposed to be released even earlier, but I think 4 दिन का कुछ delay हुआ था because
I think it was released at the right time. The time which was meant for people to you know rightly focus only on our song. because इतने सारे गाने आ रहे हैं आजकल, you know, you need that focus.
But I'm really happy the way it's turned out, and you know when you have a strong audio, a strong song, और हमको पता है कि
And a strong singer.
Oh, thank you so much. Then you know that then you must have a very nice visual to complement it. Then that takes it places, because फिर लोग उसको देख के भी enjoy करते हैं गाने को the song becomes even bigger. So then when I saw the song, I said, my God, this is so bright, and actually I have never done such bright peppy. मेरे जितने भी music videos आज तक आए हैं, they've been very sort of, you know, muted or dark.
No, a lot of people were telling me that it's a lot of a holy feeling. And
holy feeling.
बहुत brightness है, बहुत colors है, क्योंकि
very festive.
Because now also like Bijli, Jugnu, everything that came out, it's more of a party thing, but this is more of cute cum party. You can also keep it at house parties. You can use it anywhere, and it's such a nice, easy step. You know,
and I'm definitely going to do this in the reels now. आज ही मैं एक reel बनाने वाली हूँ.
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
तो जैसे मैं ये आपने जो बताया कि सी आपके साथ ये सब शेयर करना था, आपको ऐसा कभी बीच में लगा कि यार काश मैं ये सब ऑन लोकेशन देख पाती, या you know
I know. I wish, you know, actually क्या हुआ था कि मैंने उनसे बहुत पहले से बोला हुआ था कि at least let me know about the shoot. I'll come and cheer them, and I'll you know we'll do some BTS shooting कुछ करेंगे. In fact, Parul was also trying to be in touch with them, but it so happened कि जब इनकी shoot start हुई उस समय मेरे show start हो गए थे, and the dates kind of clashed, and I just couldn't make it for the shoot. But I would have really loved to, and yes, I hope.
But Shabani is here now. She's now here.
So at least we're promoting this together, and that's what really matters. हम लोग साथ हैं promotions में. Of course, Abhishek could not be here today, but I think it's more of the girl power.
Yeah,
Girl power
but
ups,
also I really one thing I really liked about Shibani is that she's given that importance, you know, because a lot of singers leave it to just the artists,
Yeah,
you know, to
yeah.
take it over. But I feel it's so important
But
that
that's-
behind the scenes are given importance.
because I've always
So-
been an independent artist, you know, so I've
Absolutely,
always
yeah.
had to take my song from here to there, and I've been always very, very. I think it's very important for the artist to be the promoter also.
The promoter, and also I feel Shivani is also a very very live example to people कि even if you're behind the scenes, push
Yeah.
yourself out there,
Absolutely.
because you are the main part. She's the heart and the soul of the song right now. She's behind the camera, but she's pushed herself here, you know, which is really important. So thank you so much for making me a part of this project.
Arey,
And,
it's my pleasure. You dropped it in my song.
Guys, don't forget Neendra Reels, please.
नींद्रा रील्स बनाओ ऐसे ऐसे करते हुए ना,
हाँ.
ऐसे फिर ऐसे.
मैंने शिवानी को भी सिखा लिया. So
Lastly, if you can share your favorite part of the song and message for your fans.
me, I'm the favorite part of the song. Me.
Of course. No, really, this every part is so cute. Yeah, everything is so cute. But I just love the way when
I love my entry.
जो येलो कार में अभिषेक आता है, and then you know, then इसकी एंट्री होती है कशिका की.
ऐसे.
Then he looks at her. So that's very cute. The cutest part of the song.
Yeah, I also liked that part where I was just walking and you know my hair's flying.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
I can't remember also अगर only fans डाले थे क्या था. I was so into the character, but the parts come out so good. You know, even the part where you must have seen I've turned on the car and I'm looking and it's come out really good. So I'm really happy and thankful. Thank you. Message from my fans is to keep loving us, both of us. And to keep showering your love upon Shibani's song, please. And do make your reels.
Yeah, that my message to my fans is कि भाई keep supporting me the way you have been for 20 years now. Thank you so much. And keep making the reels now. क्योंकि देखो जब मैं सीख सकती हूँ ये step, आप भी सीख सकते हो. So make reels, keep loving the music, keep loving Neendra, and
Keep loving us.
Yes, keep loving us. Mwah. Lots
Thank
of
you.
love. Lots of love.